On the 4th of August 2025, gospel and public figure DJ Mo pulled off what many are calling it one of the boldest romantic gesture of the year. So if you don't know yet, sit down, let me serve you the tea. On her birthday, he surprised his estranged wife, size 8 reborn, with a giant billboard along Thika Road featuring the wedding photo and an emotional message that says, fights, fumbles, and prayers later, bado tupo. Yes, after months of silence and a public announcement that their 11-year marriage was over, this surprise billboard has the internet going wild. Yes, you heard that right. After months of silence and a public announcement that the 11-year marriage was over, this surprise billboard has the internet going wild. Like, yo, what's not going on? DJ Mo didn't stop at that billboard. He took it to his Instagram stories and poured out his heart, saying, "Happy birthday once again to the love of my life, the incredible mother of our children. Today, we celebrate you, your strength, your beauty, your heart, and everything you are to us. You filled our home with laughter and endless care. I'm forever grateful for you, and I promise to love you for a lifetime and beyond. Here's to many more birthdays, my queen." Shaiambiwa hivyo? Anyways, but wait, didn't says it already confirmed the breakup? That's right. Just days before her birthday, Size 8 went public with the news of their separation, making this billboard surprise even more shocking. Fans are now left questioning, is this a reconciliation? Wamerudiana? What's not going on? Or just a grand PR move from Kenya's most watched gospel couple? Online opinions, my favorite part. Let's get into it. Some fans are fully convinced that love has won again, citing their matching outfits, public appearances, and the steamy billboard kiss. Others, not buying it, of course, calling it a gospel version of Keeping Up with the Murayas. But one viral tweet said it best. DJ Mo has just turned Thika Road into a love letter. If this doesn't work, he better try Uhuru Park fireworks next, because what do you mean this won't work? Whether it's real love or well-packaged PR, one thing is for sure. Size 8's birthday came with the drama, the romance, the emotional chaos Kenyans live for. Juu tuko hapa kwa nini? Kwa ajili gani? Love, faith, fame, and scandal only in Kenya. That's all for today. You're locked into GTN Africa, your #1 plug for real stories, real drama, and real culture. Whether the Mariah's trend, we break it down. No filters, no fluff. So what do you think? Is DJ Mo winning her back, or just spinning the gospel version of a Netflix series? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, because here at GTN Africa, we don't just follow the headlines, we set the tempo. Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, stay Africa. It's Nikki.